Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So before start our English class, first of all, I will show you something and you will tell me what I am doing. I will do some actions and you will tell me what you understand by my actions. Okay? So like I am doing. Yes. What do you understand with this action? What I am doing? Yes, you are right. I am doing clapping. And now? Yes. What this action is telling you? What this action is telling you? What my action is telling you? What I am doing? Yes, you are right. Eating. I am eating. I am eating. Then, and students, now tell me what I am doing. Yes, what I am doing. What my action is telling you. What I am doing. Yes, absolutely right. I am drinking. I am drinking means मैं पानी पी रही हूँ. Okay, can you tell me what I am doing? What my this action is telling you? What my action is telling you? Yes? Yes, you are right. I am crying. I am crying. And what this action is telling you? Yes? What I am doing? Right, I am smiling. My action is telling you that I am smiling. Okay, now tell me what I am. What my action is telling you? Swimming, running, eating, and another sibling, self. Yes, what my action is telling you. What I am doing? I am doing reading. I am doing reading. So my action is telling you that I am reading. Now tell me what I am doing. I have one pencil in my hand and I am note down something. So what I am doing? Yes, what I am doing? Yes, I am writing. I am writing means मैं लिख रही हूँ. Okay, can you tell me what I am doing? Yes. What I am doing? I am sneezing. I am sneezing. And then what I am doing? Yes. What this action is telling you? Yes. I am yawning. It means I am yawning. Means मुझे क्या आ रही है? झमाई आ रही है. Yawning. I am yawning. Okay. And then now what my action is telling you? What my this action is telling you? Yes, I am sleeping. I am sleeping. Okay. And what my action, this action is telling you? Yes? I am running. I am running. So students, these are the some action words that these I am doing actions and you are try to understand what my action is telling you. मीन्स कि मैं एक्शन कर रही हूँ, मैं अपनी बॉडी की मूवमेंट से एक्शंस करके दिखा रही हूँ और आप उन एक्शंस को देखकर समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि मैम क्या कर रही हैं. डूइंग मीन्स क्या कर रही हैं. यस, सो स्टूडेंट्स, these all actions are known action words, and today our topic is also is action words. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एक्शन वर्ड्स. ओके, सो एक्शन वर्ड्स आर द एक्शन वर्ड्स और डूइंग वर्ड्स, वन एंड अ सेम थिंग. ओके, एक्शन वर्ड्स और डूइंग वर्ड्स दोनों एक ही चीज है. राइट, like your name is Aradhya, but at home your mother tell you at home there is a nickname for you. आपका घर में एक कोई और नाम भी होगा, like सोनू, मोनू, है ना, नोनू. सो जब एक ही बच्चे का स्कूल में कुछ और नाम है लेकिन घर में कोई और नाम है, लेकिन जो वो चाइल्ड है वो एक ही है, लेकिन उसके नाम क्या है, दो हैं. एक उसका स्कूल में नेम है और एक उसका घर में नेम है, जो उसके पेरेंट्स उसको प्यार से बुलाते हैं, है ना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दैट सो सेम एक्शन वर्ड्स एंड डूइंग वर्ड्स दोनों एक ही चीज है. मतलब जो एक्शन है और जो मैं करके दिखा रही हूँ वो दोनों क्या है, एक ही चीज है. ओके, सो एक्शन वर्ड्स एंड डूइंग वर्ड्स आर द वर्ड्स दैट टेल अस what a people, animal or thing do. What a people means हम लोग. Animals, you all know animals like cat, lion, elephant, all these all are animals. And things are non-living things like car, aeroplane, bus, truck. These all are things. So action words or doing words are the words that tell us about what a people or an animal or a thing do. कि मतलब एक people, animal और thing जो करते हैं उससे वो वर्ड्स, जिन वर्ड्स से हमें ये पता चलता है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, उन वर्ड्स को हम एक्शन वर्ड्स बोलते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल शो यू सम एक्शन वर्ड्स एंड वी विल रीड इट. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल arrange my camera, then we will read the action words. Okay, so students, here you can see here are some action words. Action, 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 WORDS, words, action words. And as I explain you that action words or doing words tell us what people, animals or things do. These action words are called verbs. Okay, मतलब एक्शन वर्ड से हमें वो वर्ड हैं जिनसे हमें पता चलता है कि कोई भी इंसान, आदमी, एनिमल जानवर, थिंग मीन्स वस्तु क्या कर रहे हैं, और इन एक्शन वर्ड्स को हम वर्ब्स भी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल रीड सम एक्शन वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट इज व्हाट दिस गर्ल इज डूइंग. दिस गर्ल इज सिटिंग. ये गर्ल क्या कर रही है, विच दिस एक्शन इज शोइंग दैट गर्ल इज सिटिंग. नाउ व्हाट दिस बॉय इज डूइंग. यस, दिस बॉय इज थ्रोइंग द बॉल. सो एक्शन इज throwing. Throwing means फेंकना. So this boy is throwing the ball. Next is what this boy is doing. Yes, what his action is telling you. उसका एक्शन आपको क्या दिखा रहा है. Yes, the boy is catching the ball. So action word is catching. Catching means catch कर रहा है बॉल को. So action word is catching. Next, what this boy action is telling you. इस boy का जो action है, what this picture is telling you. Yes, this boy is swimming. This boy is Swimming. He is in the pond and he is doing swimming. Now, what this boy is doing? What his action is telling you? Yes, this boy is running. This boy is running. Then, tell me what this boy is doing? You are right. This boy is eating. This boy is eating food. Then, what this boy is doing? Yes, what his action is telling you? Very good. His action is telling you that this boy is drinking. So, action word is drinking. Then, what this boy is doing? Yes, this boy is reading. R-E-A-D. Read. I-N-G. Ing. Reading. And now, what this action is telling you? What his action is telling you? Look at the picture. Yes, the boy is standing. So, action word is standing. क्या कर रहा है ये boy? Stand. ये stand खड़ा है. Straight. So, standing. So, students, these are some action words. Sitting. Throwing means फेंकना. Catching, catch करना. Swimming. Running. Eating. Drinking, reading and standing. So these are the some action words. Now students, some more action words are here. Again, first is drinking, then eating, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating, S-T-A-N-D, stand, I-N-G, ing, standing, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting, W-A-L-K, walk, I-N-G, ing, walking. His action is showing that boy is walking. Then R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Yes, D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. This girl is doing dancing. Then P-L-A-Y, play, I-N-G, playing. This boy is playing. S-N-E-E-Z-I-N-G, sneezing. Sneezing means छींकना. Okay. C-R-Y-I-N-G, cry, ing, crying. Crying means रोना. S-M-I-L-I-N-G, smiling. Smiling means हंसना. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Reading means पढ़ रहा है. W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. Writing means लिख रहा है. S-L-E-E-P, sleep, I-N-G, ing, sleeping. Sleeping means सो रही है. Okay, so these students, all these are the action words, the words that we are doing, the verbs. These are also called verbs and doing words. Okay, now students, we will do some exercise in this book. Okay, your grammar book. So your grammar book is grammar step, and the page number is 2929. So here tick the things you can do. So आपको क्या करना है? जो चीजें आप कर सकते हैं, the action that you can do, you will tick that. Singing, yes, we can sing, so we tick it. Play, yes, you can play, so again we tick. Swim, no, because right now you are a very small child and you can't swim. अभी आप बहुत छोटे बच्चे हो और आप स्विमिंग नहीं कर सकते. So we will cross it. Okay. Then cook. No, you are small child, so you can't cook. Cross. Dance. Yes, you can dance. Read. Yes, Yes, you can read. Fly? No, only birds can fly. We cannot fly. So it's wrong. Drive? No, because you are small children and you can't drive. So cross it. Okay. Now next is, here are Ali and Ria. Underline the action words that show what they are doing. So you can see the picture and here are the sentences. We will read the sentence and underline the action words. So first is, Ali reads a book. In the picture you can see Ali reads a book. So reads is a action word. Ria eats a banana. What Ria is doing? Eating. So eats. Eat is the action word. Ria is eating banana. Then Ali plays football. What Ali is doing? Yes, playing. So plays is the action word. Then Ria climbed a tree. What Ria is doing? Ria climbing on the tree. So climbs is action word. Then Ali and Ria swim. Ali and Ria both are doing swimming together. So swim is action word. Then Ali and Ria sleep. Both brother and sister sleeping. So sleep is the action word. Then Ali sings on stage. Ali is singing on stage. So sings is action word. Then Ria talks on the phone. Ria is talking on phone. So talks on the phone is a action word. Now up the ladder. Circle the correct action word to complete the sentence. Okay. So we skip or read stories. We can read stories or skip the stories. Yes, we can read the stories, right? So next is, we eat or sing songs. What we can do songs? Eat or sing? Yes, absolutely right. It's sing. Then we write, draw pictures. What we can do with pictures? Write or draw? Yes, draw. Very good. Next is, we read, play games. What we do with games? Read or play? Yes, play. We play games. We sing or eat snacks. Yes, we sing snacks or we eat snacks? Good. We eat snacks. So this is your next exercise. Now what you will do here? Look at the picture of things we do. Complete the sentence with action words. So first is, we dash milk. We drinks. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Okay. We drink milk means हमने दूध पिया. Drinks, we drinks milk, right? Then we dash books. We read, R-E-A-D. We read books. We dash music. We listen, L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen music. हमने music सुना. We dash in a pool. We swim in a pool. Swim. We swim in a pool. We dash football. We play football. We play football. So students, this is your question number E. We did do it. Now fill in the blanks with things that you do on a holiday. You may choose action word from the box. So here are some sentences. In these sentences there are some things that you can do on holiday. ठीक है, इन सेंटेंस में कुछ ऐसे एक्शंस हैं जो आप सिर्फ हॉलीडेज में करते हैं. I dash till late. I I sleep till late. When it was holiday, you sleep late. I dash my favorite food. I eat. मैंने अपना favorite food खाया. I dash to new place. I go to new place. Yes. Then I dash in the park whole day. I play in the park whole day. I dash my favorite cartoon or TV. Watch. 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 Okay. So this is your exercise. Last exercise is match the picture with their action words. Then make sentences. One has been done for you. So dog, bark. Dog action is bark. Then phone, ring. Phone, ring. Clock, tick. Clock, tick. Rabbit, hoop. Rabbit, hoop. Ball, bounce. Ball, bounce. Now first is a dog barks. Dog क्या करता है? भौंकता है. A phone rings. RINGS, rings. Then a clock ticks. A clock ticks. Then a rabbit hops. A ball bounce. So this way you will complete this all exercises in your book. Okay students. So now students, one more topic is there in today's video, and that is the essay of my mother. Okay, that is the essay of my mother. So now in this essay, what you will do? My mother. So we all love our mother. Yes, our mother have many qualities. Yes, हमारी मम्मा की जो है बहुत सारी qualities होती हैं. So first of all, you have to paste your mother's picture here. आपको अपनी मम्मा की picture यहाँ पर paste करनी है. Then after that, what you will do? First line is my mother's name is. You will write the name of your mother here. What is your mother's name? So we write my mother's name is. जो भी आपकी मम्मा का नाम है वो आप यहाँ पर राइट करोगे. Then she is my best friend. As we all know that mama is our best friend. We share everything with our mother. Then she gets up early in the morning. Mama is the only person who gets up early in the morning. मम्मा ही है जो सबसे पहले उठती हैं और फिर सारे घर का काम करती हैं. Then she cooks food for our family. मम्मा जो है हमारे पूरी फैमिली के लिए खाना बनाती हैं. Then she helped me to get ready for school. और आपकी मम्मा आपकी हेल्प करती हैं आपको स्कूल के लिए रेडी करने में. Then she takes care of every person in my family. मम्मा जो है वो हमारे घर के हर मेंबर की, हर सदस्य की देखभाल करती हैं. She is always cheerful. She is always means हमेशा. Cheerful means खुश. वे हमेशा खुश रहती हैं. She is kind and loving. आपकी मम्मा कैसी हैं? काइंड है, मतलब बहुत दयालु हैं, बहुत लविंग है, बहुत प्यार करती हैं आपको. शी वर्क्स द होल डे फॉर अस. और मम्मा हमारी पूरा दिन काम करती हैं. किसके लिए? हमारे लिए. माई मदर इज द गॉड्स बेस्ट गिफ्ट टू मी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, all mothers are the best gift of God for every child. और जो मम्मा है वो हम सब बच्चों के लिए एक गिफ्ट की तरह होती है जो भगवान हमें देते हैं. ओके, सो वी ऑलवेज respect our mother, always follow their instructions and always help her. ठीक है, हमें अपनी मम्मा की रिस्पेक्ट करनी है, वो जो हमें बोलती है हमें वो पूरा काम करना है और उनकी काम में हेल्प करवानी है. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस वे यू विल लर्न द essay of my mother. You will do essay on my mother. My mother's name is, जो आपकी मम्मा का नाम है आप लिखेंगे. Then she is my best friend. She gets up early in the morning. She cooks food for our family. She helped me to get ready for school. She takes care of every person in my family. She is always cheerful. She is kind and loving. She works the whole day for us. My mother is the God's best gift to me. Okay students, now students you will do this all action words and this my mother's essay in your notebook. Okay, until then stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye.